make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, power, never, ever, after work is over. Work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. After hour, work is never over, 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 never over.
Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are not going to work on old Bumper Jumper who's over there. We're going to work on Rattler. Rattler is a 2001 Subaru Forester. The problems are with Rattler are the rockers down here. So today we are going to be ripping the motor right out and hopefully replacing the rockers today, and I'll show you the process of doing that. So now I'm going to take the exhaust manifold off.
Those ones that were tight.
Yeah, they would be. Those two bolts on this side, that one on that side, and same on the other side. And that will drop the exhaust down. And then we've got that 14mm as well, and that 14mm, and they're for the engine mounts. And then we'll go back up again.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted, no silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never.
So what we ended up doing is taking these lovely rockers here off. These are the original ones that were on this motor here. We've taken them off, put them in just so we don't lose them. We took the ones off the good one and have replaced them for them. Now we shouldn't have any knocking noise or rattling noise anymore. Now it's time to grab the motor, put it back in this half cleaned section here, and bolt it all back up together and see how we go. So as you see, the motor is back in. It is bolted to the gearbox, but I've got to do the starter motor, then do up all 14mm bolts underneath for the exhaust manifold and also the engine mounts. Then we can start basically putting everything back together, radiator and everything, and then hopefully when we start it there shouldn't be any rattles.
Oh yeah, she's pumping now.
So after everything of pulling the motor apart, and then pulling the rocker and replacing the rockers, I've done quite well. It's actually quieter. We have noticed that cylinder 1 is still so this is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.